Warning: trying akamu during ọmụgwọ may lead to obsession. My mother-in-law brought it and I've been hooked ever since. Recently, I started craving that same akamu I had during my ọmụgwọ. I tried the powder one, but honestly, oburu the same. So, I decided to make it from scratch as a real wife material. I soaked dried yellow corn for 3 days, changing the water every day until it softened. Mbia sacha ya ofuma, then kwaya na engine eji akwoka. After that, I used the sieve bag to separate the chaff from the akamu. You know the chaff is ready to remove when it becomes dry. After that, I let the akamu settle. Drain the water out and finally use the thick paste to prepare this creamy akamu. And of course, I had to eat it with this amazing moi moi I bought from an African restaurant, as I didn't have time to prepare my own this time around. Dika sikumba ezioku, akamu na moi moi are a match made in heaven.